everyone, welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to make two super fun crafts, a little caterpillar and a butterfly. These crafts are inspired by the book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. So for this craft video, you're just going to need your regular craft supplies that you have at home, and you can use substitutes if you don't have something in my video. So you'll need construction paper or felt, some pom-poms, googly eyes, or you can make them yourself on paper, a clothespin, a pipe cleaner, and construction paper for the butterfly as well. I use hot glue, but you can use white glue, especially if this is a craft that your child will be doing by themselves, then white glue is best. So let's get started on the craft. Okay, step number one is to draw your leaf on your felt or construction paper and cut it out. And you want to draw your leaf big enough to fit your caterpillar size. Our leaf is done, and now we can make our caterpillar. So first you want to pick out the pom-poms you want to use for your caterpillar and make sure you don't make it too big. So let's pick out our pom-poms. I want my caterpillar to look like the caterpillar in The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. So I want a red head and a green body. So here I've got my head, and now I'm going to use different shades of green for the body. Perfect. And a little yellow because he has yellow. Okay. Next is to put my caterpillar on my leaf. I'm going to be using hot glue, but you could also use white glue. So I want to decide where I'm going to put it. This looks good to me, right in the middle. Yeah, and now we'll glue. Now, the very last step is to put eyes on the caterpillar. So this part, if you're using hot glue, an adult should do, but you're going to put a little bit of glue on the eye and put it on your head. Now I've got some little antennas like the caterpillar does in the book that I've just bent here. I'm going to hot glue and put it on the caterpillar's head. So this is craft number one, our little caterpillar, and next we will do our butterfly. Now we're going to make the beautiful butterfly from the end of the story. So for this part, our first step is to make our wings, which will be going in our clothespin. So for this step, you take your clothespin, put it on your paper, and you're going to need to cut it out so you have your desired wingspan. It needs to be a little bit bigger than the clothespin because we will be folding it accordion style. Now in this stage, you could also have the children decorate their own colored wing paper to make it look like the butterflies in the story or their own design, or you can do one like this that's pre-designed. So let's trace and cut out. Now we are going to begin folding many times until we have what looks like a little accordion. So once you've cut and wrinkled your paper like this, you're going to put it in between the middle of the clothespin, and you might need to flatten it a little bit, but if you do, it should fit in nicely, and you can wiggle it around. And then you're going to glue on your googly eyes right here, and after that comes the little pipe cleaner antenna. And there we have our little butterfly. So there you have it, 2 super fun crafts inspired by Eric Carle's The Very Hungry Caterpillar. We we have our little caterpillar itself and a butterfly. I hope you enjoyed making these 2 quick and easy crafts, and I'll see you next time.